In this video, we're talking date night outfit ideas. Hey guys, in today's video, we're talking all about date night outfits, and I put together some really cute outfits for you guys. These are perfect for quite a few different occasions, if all kind of vibes. I have a look for every kind of girl, and of course you can always manipulate these looks to work for your lifestyle and what you love. Now, Valentine's Day is quickly approaching, so this could be like a last minute outfit ideas for you, or these could just be inspiration for when you have a date lined up. I love going on dates, and I always look forward to making sure that I have something to wear, because I told you guys that I am elevating my evening wear, my special occasion wear, things like that, because I don't just save my special occasion pieces for special occasions. So I just wanted to, change things out and upgrade. So that's what this video is all about. I'm going to show you guys some really cute outfits that you're going to love. Welcome back, you guys, and welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Ashley Park. This is Park Avenue, where I have tons of fashion content. Just like the kind of video you're going to see today, I have outfit ideas, unboxing, styling videos, lifestyle content. So check out some of my other videos, and when you find something you like, be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell, because I upload multiple times a week and I don't want you to miss a thing. Now, before we jump into the first look, it's time for today's Instagram shout out. And today I'm shouting out Remy_Wonders and Wishes. And she commented under one of my last reels. I did a reel where I just styled a bunch of my different coats, and she wrote, "Gorgeous outfits. Love the pink one and the white one." So if you guys want to check out the reel that I'm talking about, then head to my Instagram. I have the link in the description box, and you guys can check me out over there. I'll have links to all my socials in the description box. And I'm actually styling up the pink coat in this video as well, so stay tuned for that. And then if you want to see some other ideas, then head over to my Instagram. And I'll also have links to all the pieces that I'm showing you that are still available. I'll have that in the description box as well, along with size information. But of course, if you guys have a question, always leave it in the comments. Okay, so now let's jump into the first look. And you guys, I'm so happy about this outfit. I'm so excited about this dress. I love this. So first of all, if you missed it, I have shared this dress in a recent collective haul, so make sure you guys check that out. But here is the dress. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this dress is from Banana Republic. I love the fit. I love the cut and everything like that. It's just everything. I just love this entire look. I love the way it fits, and it's very comfortable. It's a rib knit dress, and I love that it has a longer sleeve, because someone like me, I tend to get cold, but it has that off the shoulder vibe. Or you can just wear it straight, and then it kind of it does like a cowl neck kind of a thing. So flattering. It's such a feminine dress. I love it, and I felt really, really good in it. And then on my feet, I'm wearing my Vince Camuto snake print boots. And I am absolutely still so obsessed with these boots. I shared these a while back in another haul, and you guys love them as well. So many of you asked me about these, and a lot of you told me you were able to get them when I linked them. So I'll continue to look for them and share them with you guys, because they're so comfortable. The heel is nice and high, but it's a comfortable height. It's so good. This is a really great pair of boots, and I just found them on a whim, one day when I was just shopping. So these are really, really nice. And then for my bag, I'm just wearing my trusty handy dandy Saint Laurent Kate. This bag is so good, you guys. It's one of my favorites. It is probably my absolute favorite evening kind of a bag, but I wear it during the daytime all the time. I love this. Like I told you guys, I don't save anything for special occasions. And this is a bag that I think is just really elegant. It's really timeless. It's very classic. And I love the gold on it. The gold hardware is so good. I love Saint Laurent's hardware on their bags, because I've never had any issues with color changing, chips, severe scratches or anything like that. Everything just holds up so well. I just love these. And I wouldn't mind, actually, they make a pair of tassel earrings that are similar to this bag. I wouldn't mind having a pair of those either, because they're just so cute. I love that tassel. It really adds a special element to it, because otherwise if the tassel wasn't there, it would still be a really cute bag. But I just feel like that tassel just really adds to it. And I get questions about this bag, and if you're concerned about it only being able to wear on special occasions, I'm telling you, you can wear it at any time, because I'm wearing it dressed down with sneakers. I've worn it dressed up with, dresses. So this is a really great bag. And I love the chain, because you can't see it now because I'm wearing it like a clutch, but it has a really great chain that you'll see in another outfit that you can wear it crossbody, and it looks like jewelry. It looks like a necklace, you know what I mean? So obsessed with this look. So good and comfortable. It's really good and it's comfortable. Here's the next look I want to show you guys. And this might be perfect for someone who has to go to the office during the day, and then after work they're going out for like cocktails, you know, meeting up with your date, or maybe going out with some friends or something like that. So starting with the blazer, I am wearing this blazer from One State. I got it from Nordstrom. I love this blazer because it cuts in really nicely. It really defines the waistline, and it's just a nice classic blazer. And then underneath, I'm wearing a silk shirt that I grabbed from Nordstrom Signature. And it's just a well-fitting shirt. It blouses nicely. It's just so good. It's a classic. I mean, it just looks really sharp. And then the skirt that I'm wearing is from Banana Republic. I got this recently. I showed it in that haul. If you missed it, make sure you check it out. But I love this skirt so much. This is a skirt I'm going to wear in the day. I'm going to wear in the evening. I'm going to wear to special events. I'm going to wear to the grocery store. This is a skirt I would just wear all over the place. Dress it down really casually, or elevate it and dress it up, you know, for special occasions. It's a really great skirt. And for shoes, now I am wearing these shoes by Stuart Weitzman, and I love these, you guys. They're so good. I love a patent leather anything, and a nice pair of patent leather heels is just a classic. And this is basically like one of those kind of like naked style shoes, so you see your leg really well. And it just looks so good. They're really beautiful. Now, obviously, if you're wearing this outfit into the office, these aren't the kind of shoes I would recommend because they're not exactly walking shoes. So I would swap the shoes out for maybe a classic pump for the daytime, or a pair of flats or a sandal, or a flat sandal or something like that for the daytime that's more office appropriate, work appropriate. And then in the evening, you can swap out your work tote for a cute little clutch, and swap out the shoes that you would wear into the office for a pair of heels like this. And then you can add your red lip. Or you might have already had that on in the office all day because a red lip is totally office appropriate. But just so you guys know, you can switch out your accessories, keep the base the same, and then in the evening you can, you know, add your jewelry, your clutch, your you know, your shoes like this, and then really punch up the look and make it more evening appropriate. So this look is for the girl that has to do a lot in a day, you know? Next up, I have a look that is a little bit sporty, still fun and super cute. The top that I'm wearing is from Banana Republic. It's a really great color. I love that muscle tee style top, but it doesn't dip too low under the arm. So it's comfortable to wear. You can wear, you know, like whatever bra you want to wear with it. And it's just a really good color. And then I just paired it with these joggers from Banana Republic as well. They're faux leather, but they look like genuine leather. They feel really soft and they're so comfortable. And I love this outfit because it is so comfortable. It's chill, it's relaxed, but it's like really cute, you know, like fashion girl, still really cute. I love that. And then the shoes that I'm wearing are still the same Stuart Weitzman sandals that I showed you guys in the last outfit. The patent leather goes with like absolutely everything. I just really love it. It looks so good, and it just looks good on everyone's foot. You know what I mean? It's a really pretty pair of shoes. And then for my bag, I went with my Saint Laurent again here. And here I'm wearing it crossbody. So here's where I want to show you guys how it just looks like a piece of jewelry just draped across me. A really easy bag to wear. I'm telling you, it's just like the perfect little bag. And I can fit, you know, everything I would need for a night out in there and be hands-free if I wanted to, but still look really elegant and put together. I'm really into crossbody bags. I know sometimes it can make an outfit seem to be more casual, but when you find one like this that's still so elevated, even when you wear it crossbody, it still looks really great and still very elevated. So for me, it's a win-win. I love this look. And of course, if you were going, you know, for another occasion and not a date, you can just totally transform this look and wear it with a pair of sneakers or something like that. Or maybe you're going on a really casual date. You could swap out the heels and throw in a pair of sneakers, but you still look really elevated and put together. And speaking of casual looks, this next outfit is for a really chill, really like easygoing kind of a date. And I'm starting off with that pink coat I made mention of at the beginning of the video. This coat is from Express. I love this coat so much. It also came in red and white. I don't think they have those colors available anymore, but I'll link what they do have available. This is like a really cute feminine style coat. It cuts in really nicely at the waist, and that's what I love the most about it. I love the color, but I really love the fit. And then I just paired it with this Zara. This underneath is kind of like a muscle style sweatshirt that you can't really see the shoulder pads, but it's sleeveless, just like the last top that I showed you guys, except this one has more of a sweatshirt vibe and it has that front zip. So it's just like easy breezy, just real casual. And then I threw it on with a pair of jeans from Everlane. Really comfy, easy to wear. I did a little cuff at the bottom, and then I threw on my Chelsea boots. Now, these are the boots that you guys all know and love, but if you are new here, then you need to go pick these up. These are by Steve Madden. I treat these just like a sneaker. They're easy to wear and very comfortable, and I just felt that they went really well with this outfit. I love the entire look. It's comfortable, but this is an alternative to like a pair of sneakers. Let's say you wanted to do something really casual, but you didn't want to wear a pair of sneakers, then this is the way you want to go. And then my handbag is my Loewe puzzle. It was just the perfect addition to this look, kind of like the cherry on top. And the overall look just worked out really well. Easy and chill, but still a really nice and put together look. Now here is the last look that I have for you guys. And I'm really obsessed with this one as well. So starting with the top that I'm wearing, it is this super cute knit cropped sweater that I got from Zara, and I'm over the moon about it. So good, so comfortable. And the best part about it is that it is like an open back. So good. It is so good. You guys, I love this top so much. And when I see open back things, I kind of shy away from them only because I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, like the bra situation, I don't want to be bothered. But because there are so many options for bras now, you can do like tape, or you can do even a bralette that has a really cute, like maybe like a racerback style that doesn't show the hooks. There are so many bralettes now, especially for bustier girls, available out there that you can still get a really cute look, even if your bra is showing and you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, I can't go braless, I have to wear something. So there are definitely options, you guys. And maybe I'll link to some of my favorite bras. There's a bralette in particular that I really like, so I'll link it for you guys if you want to check it out. But it can still be done. So try it and see how you like it. But I really love this. It has the cutest little bow in the back. I love it. I mean, you have to tie it yourself, or you can make it come back around and tie a knot in it. And it's just the cutest thing. So I'm really happy with it. And I wouldn't mind having it in like maybe black and then also a pink or something like that. I hope they do it in some other colors because I think it's so cute. And then I paired it with my Good American jeans. I've been styling these so much on my channel. So you've seen these, and they just tuck really nicely into my boots. They're skinny jeans. So, you know, keep that nice slim leg line. They have a really nice high rise, and they look great with crop tops. And then for my boots, I'm wearing my Vince Camuto boots. You guys already have seen these many times. And I haven't had them that long, and I've worn them so much already. But these Vince Camuto boots are the cutest. They're so comfortable. And every time I talk about these boots now, I talk about how they went on sale. I paid full price for these, and I still would pay full price for these. But if you can catch them on sale, of course, that's a great deal. And I know some of you did. But look at that. They're comfortable. I've worn them for hours, walked around for a long period of time in them, and they are so comfortable. And the color is really good. So they look rich, they look well made, and they're very comfortable. And then, of course, I had to do my Loewe puzzle bag. Again, the perfect addition to this look, and so many other looks to come because I'm so obsessed with this bag. It was a really great buy, and I'm so happy that I have it. And I still can't wait to find a mini in the multicolor variety. I can't wait to have one like that in my collection. I just have to be patient. I gotta be patient to wait for the multicolor variety that fits my personality and jump on it as soon as I see it. So fingers crossed it happens soon because I want to have it for the summer. But anyway, this Loewe puzzle was perfect for this look. It's giving like an all creamy, you know, neutrally kind of a vibe, and I love it. And then, you know, if you get a little chilly, you can just throw this robe style coat over your shoulders for a vibe and a little bit of warmth. It looks good, it's comfortable to wear, and it just worked really well with this outfit. So that is the complete look, and I think this one might be my favorite. I don't know. They're all so different, like for different occasions, so it just really depends, you know, on the situation because they're all really good. But I guess I'm so obsessed with this sweater is why I want to pick this look, but I really do love them all. So that's it for my date night outfit ideas. Let me know in the comments which look is your favorite, and let me know what you guys have planned for your outfits. Are you doing like a Valentine's date night with your love, or are you doing like a Galentine's date night with your girls? Let me know in the comments, or maybe you're doing both. I mean, why not? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you guys check the description box for links to all the pieces that I'm showing you guys today. I'll have size information and everything like that. And check me out on some of my other socials. I'll have that linked in the description box as well. And you guys, my ebook is now available in audio version. So you guys don't have to sit and read it if you don't have time or you don't prefer to. You now can just listen to the entire book and multitask if you need to, or maybe you just prefer to receive information audibly. Now you have the option. I'm so excited to be able to bring this to you guys. And I'm coming up on a year now being a full-time entrepreneur. I've quit my full-time job, and that's what the ebook is all about. The ebook is me sharing with you guys exactly what I did to get to the point that I'm at now. I can't even, I mean, it just seems so crazy to me that it's almost been a year and I feel like I've done so much. And I just want to share that with you guys because I do get questions from a lot of other, you know, aspiring creators or people who have thought about it or people who are currently doing it and feel like they've kind of plateaued, or maybe they haven't reached the level that they feel like they should be at the point that they are now. So I'm sharing exactly what I did step by step to get to the point that I'm at now. So definitely take advantage of it. I will have a link to the ebook in the description box, and you guys could get the digital version or the audio version, whatever suits your life. And you can also get the rate card template. I'll have that. Just go to the link in the description box because you'll be able to get to all that information from the link that I have in the description box. And I'm sharing with you guys the exact template that I use to land my brand deals. So all that is extremely helpful. And if I had that when I first started, then I think maybe I would be a little bit further, a little bit faster. But definitely check out the ebook, you guys. I cannot believe it. We'll talk more about my 1 year anniversary, I guess, being a full-time entrepreneur. We'll talk about that in another video, but make sure you guys check the description box for all the information you're gonna need. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.